How do you know that you need a reset? Number one, pretty obvious. You are overwhelmed. You are spinning. You feel restless. You can't keep up. Life is moving way faster than you feel you can cope with. Number two, you are shut down. You are in what we may call a freeze. You can't move. You can't operate. You can't respond. It's almost as if you're separated or dissociated from your body. Number three, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Dayana. I am here to help you find ways to stay connected to yourself, open, alive, unified, in peace and joy, in abundance. Today we're going to talk about 3 signs that your nervous system is ready for a reset. Why do I talk about the nervous system? As a Feldenkrais practitioner, I know that even though the symptom might be a little different, and we're going to talk about that in a minute, the root cause of much of this distress that we're going to talk about is in the nervous system. Your nervous system has 2 branches, parasympathetic and sympathetic. The parasympathetic will help you rest, digest, calm down, and the sympathetic will keep you in fight or flight, ready to go, ready for action, and sometimes ready to hide, freeze, or stay still. So, back to the point. How do you know that you need a reset? Number one, pretty obvious. You are overwhelmed. You are spinning. You feel restless. You can't keep up. Life is moving way faster than you feel you can cope with. Number two, you are shut down. You are in what we may call a freeze. You can't move. You can't operate. You can't respond. It's almost as if you're separated or dissociated from your body. Number 3, equally powerful but somehow trickier to find, you are in this state of apathy. It's like, I will do it tomorrow. Could look like procrastination, could look like you're not interested in life. You lost the zest, the joy, you lost the excitement. Now, how are these 3 forms, which are very different in the sense of how you are responding to overwhelm and your nervous system being hijacked, being run by stress hormones, in a way that is very similar, you can handle all 3. First step, stop, rest, acknowledge what is going on, observe your inner sensations, your responses. Don't beat yourself up for already being out of whack or out of sorts or feeling not able. Have a moment of self-compassion. If you can, self-love. Remember in that moment where you pause, hit the pause button and rest, that there's a way out of here, that you don't have to do it alone. Maybe that you've been here before and you've come out of it. Number 2, move your physiology. Sometimes that state of mind is perpetuated because we're doing the same thing. So let's say you are restless, moving from one to the next, feeling the overwhelm. Move your physiology in the opposite way. Slow movement, maybe getting water, take a shower, float, feel the buoyancy, go outside, take a few breaths and feel the air. See them, even with my tone of voice, I'm giving you this idea to slow it down. If you're in shutdown and you're completely frozen, jump, run, dance. Get out of yourself by moving out of that physiological state of freeze. If you are in apathy, where you might be lying down, procrastinating, not want to do anything, identify the easiest, most basic, viable step you can take. Maybe it's getting dressed. Maybe it's taking a shower. Maybe it's writing down the list of things you want to do. Maybe it's making a phone call, writing an email. Maybe it's putting some clothes on that make you feel good, so you're ready for the next step to come find you. Maybe sitting down in meditation and receiving guidance. Get out of your own way of the chain of same creates more of the same. Once you take that initial step, the second that was the second thing. The third thing you want to do is recognize the difference. Observe the change. Even if it's very small, observe the difference. When you recognize that something has changed, it will be able for you to do this again. That is called positive reinforcement, and it's how we teach and train everyone from kids to pets to athletes. You want to say, good job, wow, that worked, that felt good, great. And the more you can do that, the more likely you are to do that again and get another reinforcement and another reinforcement. And before you know it, you're going to have come out of that state. When you look back at it, make notes about what worked and keep these notes handy, or watch this video again. Because what happens is when we get out of that funk, of that rut, we forgot usually how we got out of there. We get better, we feel great, and it's not until we tank again that we go, oh my, I'm here. So sometimes you don't remember how to get out of there. Ideally, you get the list, you watch the video, you know how to get back, and you do this often. You check in with yourself often. You self-acknowledge, self-gratitude when something is going well, self-love, self-acceptance, right? All the things we hear about in self-help and self-development. Why? Because when you do this often, you will prevent the nervous system being so whacked out of control that you need a big reset. It's almost like maintenance every day. It goes a long way. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, you most likely will like this one too, because it's about the same topic, how to get you to be your best self. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Talk to you soon.